In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WordPress problems by taking you through the steps of troubleshooting, identifying the issue, and resolving it in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and tackle those WordPress issues head-on, shall we? First and foremost, head over to WordPress.com. This is your go-to destination for managing your website. Once you're there, everything you need to build or tinker with your site is right at your fingertips. Now, on the top right corner, you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on Log In. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, so make sure you have those handy. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself looking at the WordPress dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is the command center for your site, where you'll notice a whole host of options laid out in the menu on the left. For troubleshooting purposes, we're going to focus on a specific tool called Lightspeed Cache, which you'll find in this menu. Click on Lightspeed Cache, and a new suite of options will appear. This tool helps manage and optimize your site's performance, which is often a source of many common problems. Within the Lightspeed Cache menu, you'll see an option labeled CDN. Select this to open up settings related to content delivery networks, essential for improving your site's load times and reliability. A critical part of managing your CDN settings involves handling Cloudflare, one of the integral components in web caching and site security. Locate the Cloudflare option and click on it. Doing so will take you to another set of settings from which you can manage data cached by Cloudflare. Now, find and click on Cloudflare Settings. This will lead you to a variety of configuration options, allowing you to control the caching behavior of your site. One setting that can often resolve a multitude of problems involves clearing the cache. Look for and select the option that says, Clear Cloudflare Cache. By doing this, you essentially eliminate outdated content that might be causing issues for users accessing your site. Clearing your cache is a quick and effective way to resolve numerous common issues like content not updating or pages loading incorrectly. It refreshes what visitors see when they visit your site, effectively erasing any previously cached errors. This process should take just a moment, but it can make a significant difference in site performance and user experience. And there you have it. You've just learned how to navigate the WordPress dashboard, utilize Lightspeed Cache, and effectively clear your Cloudflare cache to address and resolve common WordPress issues. Remember, maintaining the health of your site is a continuous process. Regular monitoring and updates will keep your site running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting your WordPress problems.